The mechanical heart of fuel vehicles is being revolutionized by electric drive technology, preserving classics while moving towards a zero-emission future. The heart of the system, the permanent magnet synchronous motor and 2-in-1 controller. High-efficiency motor paired with smart control delivers precise power, reducing energy consumption by 30% and boosting response speed by 15%. Supported by the liquid cooling system, circulating coolant stabilizes motor and controller temperatures, ensuring peak performance even on long journeys. The energy source, a high-density battery pack with custom high-voltage wiring harnesses for safety, efficient power delivery and extended range. The DC-DC converter steps down voltage to power 12-volt systems, while the charger and charging gun enable fast charging, 80% in just 30 minutes, eliminating range anxiety. The brain, the VCU, vehicle control unit, orchestrates power distribution and regenerative braking, ensuring seamless teamwork across components. Electric hydraulic steering offers razor-sharp control, while regenerative brake discs smooth stocks and recapture energy to extend range. Electrification isn't just about the electric compressor and AC system ditch belt-driven parts for faster, quieter cooling, total cabin comfort. Electronic gear shift with one-touch driving modes, sleek design meets smart functionality. Finally, the high-strength adapter plate seamlessly integrates the motor with your car's drivetrain, making conversion plug-and-play for multiple vehicle models. They were icons of the fossil fuel era, now powered by the same electric DNA. With its dual platform strategy, Universal EV conversion kit shatters vehicle boundaries, making customization a thing of the past. For rear-drive legends like the Beetle, our 72 kilowatts motor takes over the rear axle. 150 kilometers range perfect for weekend drives, while the fast charge module, fitted in spare time well, refills 80% battery during coffee breaks, where heritage meets innovation. A secret? Modular 24 kilowatt-hours batteries replace the fuel tank without sacrificing cargo space. At $0.02/km, delivery drivers pocket 2 extra orders profit daily. The 3-layer armored battery pack isn't just tough. With active thermal management, it limits winter range loss to 12% at -22 degrees Fahrenheit to -30 degrees Celsius. Our 160 kilowatts powerhouse features smart torque distribution, retains factory 4WD but delivers 440 Nm instant torque, making off-road towing easier than ever.